Hi everybody, it's Jonathan Hespel with the Patch Cable. Today I would like to discuss pentatonic line development, perhaps using places on the neck where you are currently uncomfortable or not familiar with playing. So I hope that everybody out there knows this pentatonic scale. We're in G. That is home base for many thousands and thousands of players. One thing I would like to try to get people to do, and I try to ask my students this all the time, move to the next position up the neck. This is what I call pattern 5. This starts on the 4th string. We've got, on the 4th string we're playing the 5th fret, 8th fret. On the G string we're playing the 5th, the 6th, the 7th fret. Then we're going to go 6th fret on the 2nd string, 8th fret on the 2nd string. On the 1st string we're going to go 6th fret and 8th fret, and then for extra credit, 9th fret. That's going to give us that flat 5, which in the blues is incredibly juicy territory. So what I say is maybe start with a very short line that you can get under your fingers quickly. Maybe this. Alright, that little idea in that new place, build it, play it 1,000 times. Get really comfortable with the sound and the feel of it. Once you have the idea in your hands, once you get it, start playing around with it. Use all those notes. Start to feel comfortable where you can hear where the ideas are coming from. Go back then and play your pattern 4. Now mix the two together. And then hopefully eventually you'll get comfortable playing and you can start to develop hours and hours worth of lines out of those two positions. Again, my name is Jonathan Hespel. This is the Patch Cable. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Leave some comments. Let me know whether it helped, whether it didn't. I'm going to be doing these very often, so I would love your feedback. Hope you have a good day and happy playing, everybody.